Are your security cameras going offline randomly? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you the real fix. First, check the camera power adapter. A weak or faulty adapter is the most common cause. Next, check your cables. Reseat or replace BNC or IP cables. Loose or damaged cables can disconnect cameras. Now, test the DVR channel. Swap the camera to another port and check if it works. If your camera's outside, check for moisture or cable damage. Weather can easily affect connections. Also, check your power supply box. If it's overloaded, cameras may go offline. Use a separate power supply if needed. Most of the time, it's power fluctuation, cable damage, or a DVR port issue. Fix these and your cameras will stay online. If your cameras are back online, hit the like button and subscribe for more real CCTV fixes that actually work.